Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through the tattoo pain chart. A tattoo pain chart is a diagram from head to toe, coloured and labelled according to the pain intensity to expect if one gets a tattoo on a particular area of the body. Commonly, there are two pain charts, one for a biological woman and another for a biological man. Though commonly used by clients planning to get a tattoo, medical professionals can use our take on the tattoo pain chart. They will find it helpful when the client asks, based on their expertise, where to get a tattoo and write notes if their client comes back post-tattoo appointment with pain that may be indicative of an infection. To use our free tattoo pain chart, follow these steps. Download our tattoo pain chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Talk to or examine the patient. A patient may visit either before or after their tattoo appointment. In either scenario, you may use the template to either advise before they get a tattoo or write down the patient's symptoms and your observations upon examination in the space provided below. Make the most out of the template using the space at the bottom. Your client can write down your tattoo location recommendation below so they don't forget. Or you can write down examination results of the patient's skin should they express concerns of a possible infection. Here is a sample of our tattoo pain chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our tattoo pain chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.